Okay, so here's how you can add phone number on Roblox if it's missing. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can add a phone number on your Roblox. First up, you need to obviously go to Roblox, and right over here, once you're inside Roblox, so there are two ways. The first one is pretty much being on the Roblox official. And right over here, what you have to do is just simply go to your more option. But if you're on websites, let's say on Google, you have to type in Roblox, and you just need to go to Roblox over here and just simply sign it in. And I think in the website version of Roblox, there will be a different way of putting your phone number. And yeah, here as you can see, you have to go to your settings and you have to go to press on settings again. Once you press on it, it will bring you to your settings. And right over here inside account info, you will be able to see. So right over here, you must be thinking that where's my phone number option? So my Roblox or my country doesn't allow a number to be put because it's affected by for some reason. But this is the first way. Let me show you this other way and then I'll explain why. But if you're in the app, you have to go to more, and inside more, you have to press on settings, and in account info, right over here, once it loads up, here as you can see, under the email address, you will be able to see phone number if it's supported in your country. If it's not, it will not show the phone number. So it's only for a few countries like China, India, and some other countries like Syria and Somalia. But there are some countries that you cannot put your phone number. But if it is, it will show you the phone number right over here where I showed you. So if you can't get it, here is the simple way on adding a phone number. You just have to log it into your account, and if you can't log in, just simply your career password, and then on browser, then select add phone number and then add your phone number. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this helped you out. I'll see you soon.